There it is. Oh my goodness. I love the looks of that thing. Oh yeah. No more rattle in the head. I love the color. It's really nice and light, which I love. But the packaging is really nice. Got the certificate of authenticity right here. And it is signed. Comes with a little Allen for your adjustments. There's a little magnet in there to keep the head always on ready to fire. They also offer the try before you buy, which this really sold me on the release. Is the identical twin. And I really like the feel of it just from this. So that's why I actually went ahead and actually purchased this. It does come with you have options for 3, 4, 2. There's a hunting bracket for this one. Stainless, aluminum. I chose aluminum because it was cheaper and I like the looks of it and I like a lighter release. So there's this little click, and if you hinge it a little bit, you hear that little click? Hinge it more and it releases. There's that click. Really cold for me. We're gonna adjust that in just a second. This is the medium, I did not adjust that. But yeah, that's the release. Really like it. I've shot in thumb releases, back tension releases, finger style, trigger style, whatever, index. And I think I'm really gonna like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this up for me right about now. Get the Allen wrench out of there. And there's a little Allen wrench hole right here. And you're gonna try to fish that out and get that. And you're just gonna loosen that up a quarter turn. And then you can move these moons back. There's a click moon and a fire moon. So, on the left is your click moon and on the right is your fire moon. So you see how the click is before the fire, which means your click is on. In order to turn that click off, you're gonna wanna move that below this. And you actually can just switch those. This fire moon can go right where this is, and this click moon can go right there, and then you would have no click. We want it hotter, so we're gonna tighten that up. So the click is actually really close to where I want it, but the fire is a little too cold. Higher that fire moon just a little bit. Just a quarter turn's all you need. You don't want to strip it out. Okay. Ooh. Little adjustment in the back. Quarter turn to the left. I think we can actually go a little. I think it was a little hot because like after that click, it went. So we're gonna shoot another one. I think that's almost perfect. The new features about this hinge is basically you can do the click moon and fire moon right there. It's like micro adjustable. With the other one, I'm not sure. I think you had to get like, you got to take the head out and stuff, which is more complicated. And this one's a little fatter than the Hinge 1, which I think makes it a little more comfortable. I like this Hinge 2.0. I like the new features. I like the new look. I like the click fire, the moon. I like it a lot. So I think the adjustments, what I did right there, I think I set it up to what I would like. Now I'm gonna play with it. Honestly, I'm gonna tinker with it all year, probably until I really find my liking. But for right now, I really like the feel. So I'm gonna shoot this more, and I'm gonna do an update video later after I shoot this for a while. But for right now, that's basically the overview of Ultraview's Hinge 2. Now, if you're thinking about getting it, get that try before you buy. Really, that really is what made my mind up. They got the stainless, they got tons of adjustments, unique features about this release, and make sure to go check them out at ultraview.com. So yeah, thanks for watching. And I'm gonna shoot some more reps. So peace.